Yeah, there's Baby and Rara.
Baby?
Oh no, where's Petunia?
Baby, good?
Oh, there's nothing to see. I'm trying to take a video of what a chatterbox you are. Can you go talk to Petunia?
Baby.
There's no baby, see?
Wow.
It's just Petunia. Do you want to go pet Petunia?
Baby.
There's no baby.
Baby, go.
Baby's all gone, right? Do you want to go pet Petunia? Yeah, there's Petunia on the camera. Can you go show me where Petunia's ears are? Where are her ears? Be very gentle. Oh, those are nice ears. Does Petunia have feet? Where's her tail? Oh, gentle with her feet. Does she have a tail? Yeah, that's a nice tail, huh? Baby went kaboom? Oh, see, there's still no baby. You have to make more video for me. Can you go show me where the picture of baby Sarah is? Can you bring me that picture of baby Sarah?
Baby Sarah.
Baby Sarah?
Mama.
Oh, Mama and baby? Baby Ellie? Where's Rocky, Ellie? Oh, Rocky's over there. Oh, that's interesting. Where are the Hop Hops? Are there any Hop Hops in this room? You see Hop Hops? Are you being gentle to the table? Yeah, those are Hop Hops. Hey. Are there any owls in here?
No.
Where are the owls? Hey, where's your baby? Can you give your baby a big hug? Do you love your baby?
No. Mama?
Oh, your baby's going night-night? Is your baby going to go kaboom?
Kaboom?
Is your baby going to go kaboom? Kaboom. Baby went kaboom. Ellie kaboom? Can you do kaboom? Baby went kaboom. Yeah, see, baby's all gone. You have to make more video. Can you give... Yeah, there's no baby right now because you're looking at the viewfinder. But if you go on the other side, I can make more video of the baby. Who's very cute. Hey. Hey. Can you give Mom a kiss? Can you give Mommy a kiss? Yeah, baby's all gone. Can you give Mom a kiss on the tape? Fine, don't then. You have a lingering odor. Can you give your baby a kiss? It's a lot of finality in that kaboom. Hey, Ellie. Do we talk to Grandpa Howie sometimes? We talk to Hal? Oh, he's not in here. Do we ever talk to Rosie? Ro? Do we talk to Gigi? Yeah, baby's all gone. Oh, there's no baby. See, just the living room. Careful, you're gonna go kaboom. You mean careful? Are you gonna fall down the stairs on tape? Okay, what's gonna happen now? Kaboom. Better go rescue your baby. Kaboom, baby, kaboom. You put your baby down for night-night?
Nana. Nana, baby, kaboom. Kaboom, baby, kaboom.